Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Concepts Hub. As you all know, there was a change in the pattern in the SSC CGL 2022. And if you look at the general awareness, the weightage has increased from the previous pattern. So now we'll have in Tier 1 and Tier 2. So you need to pay proper attention to general awareness if you want to score better in SSC CGL. And if you want to see your name in the list. So let's start. Who among the following Indian player wrote the book A Century is Not Enough? And the options are Sachin Tendulkar, Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman. So, which Indian player wrote the book A Century is Not Enough? And the answer is Saurav Ganguly. Next, the article of Indian Constitution that deals with all the executive powers of governor is, and the options are Article 150, Article 154, Article 156, Article 157. So the article which deals with executive powers of governor is, and the answer is Article 154. Next, India's first forest university to be established in which Indian state? And the options are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Arunachal Pradesh, Telangana. First forest university, okay, in which Indian state? And the answer is Telangana. Next, Kuno National Park is located in which of the following Indian city? So this Kuno National Park was recently in news. Okay, many of you might have known why this was recently in news. So and the options are Gujarat, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. So the Kuno National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? And the options are Suresh N. Patel, Saurav Ghoshal, Sanjay Kotari, Srinivasa Rao, who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner. And the answer is Suresh N. Patel. Next, what gas is produced when magnesium is made to react with hydrochloric acid? And the options are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, chlorine. When magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, which gas is produced? And the answer is hydrogen. Next, which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? And the options are antibiotic, analgesic, antacid, antiseptic. So which type of medicine is used for treating indigestion? And the answer is antacid. Next, the process of re-emission of observed light in all direction with different intensities by the atom or molecule is called. And the options are scattering of light, dispersion of light, reflection of light, and refraction of light. The re-emission of observed light in all direction by atom or molecule is called, and the answer is scattering of light. So just go through about this. What is scattering of light, dispersion of light, reflection of light, refraction of light? Okay, so you might have learned this, okay, in your 10th class. Next, joule per coulomb is same as, and the options are 1 watt, 1 volt, 1 ampere, 1 ohm. So joule per coulomb is same as, and the and the answer is 1 volt. So just go through the units also. Watt is a unit of watt, ampere is a unit of watt, and ohm is unit of watt. Next, the digestive juice without enzymes is, and the options are bile juice, gastric juice, pancreatic juice, saliva. The digestive juice without enzyme is, and the answer is bile juice. Next, which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? And the options are root hair, stomata, leaf veins, sepals. So which part of the plant takes carbon dioxide from air for photosynthesis? And the answer is stomata. Next, which cricket team has won the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2022? And the options are England, India, Australia, South Africa. Which women's cricket team has won World Cup 2022? And the answer is Australia. Next. Who has received Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematicians for the year 2021? And the options are Sanju Varshe, Neena Gupta, Krishna Pandey, and Venkata Verma. So, who has received Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematics for the year 2021? And the answer is Neena Gupta. Next. Which country has won the Asia Cup 2022 championship? And the options are Sri Lanka, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan. So recently, many of you might have watched the finals also. So, and the answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has defeated Pakistan in the finals. There is a possibility of asking, okay, Sri Lanka has defeated which cricket team in the finals? Next. Members of Public Accounts Committee are elected for a period of, and the options are 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year. So members of Public Accounts Committee are elected every year. Okay. And along with this one, and the answer is 1 year. And along this one, what you need to remember is what is the total number of members of Public Accounts Committee. So what is the members of Public Accounts Committee? This is also possible questions. Or from which group? Okay, whether it is from Lok Sabha or whether it is from Rajya Sabha or whether from outside. Okay, who can be the part of this Public Accounts Committee? This is also you need to remember. Next, who was known as the father of Indian Renaissance? And the options are Mahatma Gandhi, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose. So, who was known as the father of Indian Renaissance? And the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next, who is the author of book titled The Blue Umbrella? And the options are Amitabh Ghosh, R.K. Narayan, Ruskin Bond, Sudhamurthy. So, who is the author of book titled The Blue Umbrella? And the answer is Ruskin Bond. So along with this question, you need to go through the writers. Okay, the Amitav Ghosh. Okay, what are the books he has? What are the books written? R.K. Narayan. What are the books he has written? Okay, Ruskin Bond. Okay, all these books also very important from the exam point of view. Next, which among the following is not part of Union Executive? And the options are President of India, Vice President of India, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India. So, which among the following is not part of Union Executive? And the answer is Chief Justice of India is not part of Union Executive. Next, the term header is associated to which of the following sports? And the options are cricket, hockey, basketball, and football. The term header is associated with which sports? And the answer is football. Not only this header, okay, you need to know some terminologies related to sports because these questions have already been asked in the previous exam. So you need to know some terms related to sports. Next, Tungabhadra is the tributary of which of the following river? And the options are Krishna, Godavari, Narmada, Tapi. So Tungabhadra is the tributary of Krishna river. Next, which of the following river is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh? And the options are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, Krishna. So which of the following river is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh? And the answer is Brahmaputra. Next, which of the following country will host the FIFA World Cup 2022? And the options are Brazil, Qatar, South Africa, Russia. So which of the following country will host the FIFA World Cup 2022? And the answer is Qatar. Along this question, okay, you need to remember one more important thing is which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2026? So this could be also important from the exam point of view because we know every 4 years this FIFA World Cup will be held. So you need to remember the next. Okay, there is a possibility of asking 2022 or 2026 also. Next, Hojagiri is a folk dance of which of the following Indian state? And the options are Kerala, Sikkim, Tripura, Assam. So Hojagiri is a folk dance of which of the following Indian state? And the answer is Tripura. Again, this dance form, okay, music and instruments and the persons who are related to particular field is also important. As you have seen many questions related to dance form, okay, or the person related to particular dance or music or the instrument. Next, Bihu is a folk dance of which of the following Indian state? And the options are Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Bihu is a folk dance of which of the following Indian state? And the answer is Assam. Next, the net national product can be calculated by subtracting depreciation from. And the options are direct taxes, gross domestic product, gross national product, national income. Net national product can be calculated by subtracting depreciation from gross national product. So we are done with 25 questions. We'll come up with more 25 questions in the upcoming video. So if you like our video, please subscribe to Concepts Hub and all the best for your exam. Thank you.